In a world where technology is evolving faster than ever, a single breakthrough can redefine the balance of power. Welcome back to Next Gen World, the home of future tech, next-generation defense, and innovations that are reshaping our planet. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore the systems building tomorrow. Today, we dive into a development that has stunned analysts, shocked militaries, and captured the world's attention. This is the TERRA Radar, Israel's newest airborne early warning system, a next-generation, eye-in-the-sky, that promises to detect threats long before they even become visible. The TERRA system is more than just another radar. It represents a dramatic leap in how nations can monitor the skies, track missiles, and secure their borders. Developed with advanced AI, powerful signal processing, and long-range detection capabilities, TERRA is designed to spot everything from stealth aircraft to ballistic missiles, drones, and even low-flying cruise missiles hiding between mountains. What makes TERRA truly shocking is its precision. Traditional radars struggle with objects flying low or using terrain to hide. But TERRA's new synthetic aperture and multi-band scanning technology allows it to literally see through the noise. It creates high-resolution images in real time, even identifying and classifying moving objects with unmatched accuracy. In military terms, this isn't just detection, it's preemptive awareness. Mounted on aircraft, the TERRA radar turns any plane into a floating command center. It can scan hundreds of kilometers in every direction, track dozens of targets at once, and share data instantly with ground forces, naval fleets, and air defense units. This level of coordination creates a unified combat picture, giving commanders a massive advantage in fast-moving conflicts. But the most surprising part, TERRA isn't just for defense against enemy aircraft. It has been engineered to counter the biggest challenge modern militaries face: drone swarms. These small, cheap, fast-moving threats are hard to detect and even harder to target. TERRA's advanced AI prediction models allow it to lock onto swarms, analyze their patterns, and guide interceptors with pinpoint accuracy. No wonder the world is calling it a game-changer. During testing, TERRA surprised even its own creators by identifying ultra-low signature targets that most radars would never detect. This sparked global attention and raised questions about how this technology will shape future warfare. Analysts believe systems like TERRA could redefine air dominance for the next decade. For Israel, a nation surrounded by constant security challenges, TERRA represents more than technology, it's a strategic shield. For the world, it's a glimpse into the future of surveillance and intelligence. As nations race to develop next-generation defenses, one thing is clear: whoever controls the skies controls the battlefield. And with TERRA Radar now officially unveiled, the future just became a lot more advanced, and a lot more unpredictable. Thanks for watching Next Gen World. If you found this breakdown exciting, make sure to like, comment, and share. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the technologies shaping tomorrow.